Well, we have the most perfect day for you. A warm hello in every sense of the word. The sun is out and football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The players are ready to get started, and we cannot wait for the contest that lies ahead. One glance and you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world. And boy, does it add to the occasion. The action has already started. Jim, which player is best equipped for this game?
One of the game's best ever, Cristiano Ronaldo. He brings a power to whatever he does, and his unquenchable thirst for goals is always an enjoyable sideshow. It's very rare he fails to leave his mark.
Yeah, the easiest way to make a difference is to score, so no argument there. Oscar did well to emerge with the ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on. Oh, shooting chance! Goal! Lyon! Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Now that's what I call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively who was square and didn't need to waste any time weighing things up. That's a cracking goal.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Yeah, and they know there's plenty of work left in this one, Peter, before they can actually say that the job is over.
Casemiro tries to get it forward quickly. And here's Messi.
That's just very well played. He can't hurt you with his back to goal, and he didn't go for the back heel.
Oscar has made his mark on this game. Hardly anything between the sides, and the score is 1-0. De Bruyne, towering header! No, not the best of headers. He's got away. Shoots! Good strike, quite an alarm. Tevez. Lyon couldn't do a whole lot with it there. They could do with more sharpness in their passing. Messi. He's Messi! Ruben Diaz with the clearance, and it's played forward. Now it's De Bruyne. And that knocks it away.
Well, it seems as if he's just had a momentary lapse and slipped into tunnel vision.
And there's the end of the first half. And there we are, off they go for half-time. The breakthrough did indeed come in the first half, but there has only been that one goal, which is very, very tight.
Well, you obviously have to give credit to the front men for the half-time lead, but I think the midfield can really pat themselves on the back too. They work tirelessly for me.
Lyon leading 1-0 at the break. And the game has already resumed here.
Lyon going well here, and they're in a good position to kick on and add to their lead. They don't have to overcommit, but they can place more emphasis on stretching their advantage without necessarily neglecting things defensively.
Kimmich. Oh, great! Has a hit! Messi gets the better of his man. And Messi! And that would have been some goal.
Messi just backs himself every time. Give him a challenge and he rises to it.
Oscar. Your impression so far, Jim?
Well, I'm inclined to feel that if I was in that dugout, I'd want the players to get on the front foot and grab another. Just try...
He's had a goal! It's a goal! 2 up now, and they are cruising.
And looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
Lyon get themselves a 2-goal cushion.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one or the other.
That's Cristiano Ronaldo. Shot a goal! Good run, lovely take, but that is where it stopped.
The timing of the pass and run was exquisite.
Neymar with the short one. Great leap! No messing about, just bludgeoned away. That is terrific skill. Up to meet it! He's done well to get his head on that, but couldn't score.
I have to commend the wing play, but I have to condemn the defending. They've got to stop the cross.
Dybala. And it's James Rodriguez. And here's Messi. Now it's James Rodriguez. Oscar shapes to shoot! A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. He just whacks it away. Dani Alves. That'll be a throw. He has it out wide now. Neat exchange. Tevez not easily shrugged off the ball. Neymar going full tilt down the left. De Bruyne with a delicate ball. Referee looks at his